In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text responses in Framer. We'll walk through setting up a text layer, placing it on the canvas, and styling it so your responses look polished and readable. I'll also point out a few settings in the Styles panel, like blending, masking, and overflow, so you know exactly when and why to use them. Start by opening Framer and loading a project or a blank canvas. Once you're in the editor, look to the toolbar at the top left and select the T icon to activate the text tool. This tells Framer you're about to place a text layer rather than a frame or shape. Move to your page and click and drag to draw a text area. Dragging lets you define the width of your text box up front, which is helpful if you're designing responses that need to wrap to multiple lines. Keep an eye on your guides so you stay aligned with your layout. With the text box in place, start typing your response. Enter the actual content you plan to show so you can judge length, line breaks, and tone. If you need to reposition the box, you can move it after typing so it sits exactly where you want in your design. Now, look to the right side of the editor and open the Styles panel. Here's where you set the visual voice of your text. Choose your font, size, weight, and color, and adjust alignment and line height for readability. Small tweaks to spacing often make the biggest difference, especially for longer responses. Next, review the advanced options and styles. Blending controls how your text interacts with layers beneath it. Use it to lighten, darken, or let background textures subtly show through. Draggable and mask options help with interaction and reveal. Masking hides anything that extends beyond a shape, while draggable can make an element movable in prototypes. Finally, check overflow behavior. If your text might run long, overflow settings let you clip excess text or allow scrolling within the text box. Finish by refining these settings to match your brand and layout. With a clear text layer, thoughtful styling, and the right overflow and blending choices, your Framer text responses will be clean, legible, and ready for your project.